Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss Kahoot.com. Kahoot is an application which gives you the option to create an online quiz or any online interactive activities. So today we are going to discuss how to sign up with Kahoot.com or how you can create a quiz for your class to make more interesting assessments. Kahoot will help you out to create interactive online quiz, and at the same time Kahoot is also giving you the option to create the quiz on a Kahoot and link with your Google Meet or Google Classroom, Zoom or Microsoft Teams. Let's begin with today's class. So first thing what you have to do, you have to click on this sign up button which is giving you to log in with this particular website. So once you click on sign up, they will ask you multiple questions like are you teacher, are you student, personal or professional. As we all are teacher, so I recommend you choose teachers. After choosing the teachers, they will ask you which level of teaching you are doing or which level of teacher you are. Either you are teaching in a school, higher school or school administration or any business, or you can choose as other as well. As we all are the higher education, I select higher education. Over here, it is asking you multiple things. First thing, if you wanted to create a new ID, so you just write your email and password. If you already have the other accounts like a Google one, Microsoft one or Apple one, so you can log in with them also. I am using my Google account as I already log in over here. So I choose my Google account to log in Kahoot. After logging Kahoot, it will take few time depending on your internet speed and see. Because I already have some type of application already there, the quiz is already there, so this thing is there. Otherwise, the phase will come where they're asking about the subscription or some amount. You have to just choose first line to check. Like a demo, you have to choose for free. Now the second thing, this is called as a dashboard. In this dashboard, you can see your information or what's happening on Kahoot is about the news. Okay? If you wanted to use someone else quiz, the ready-made quiz, you have to go to discovery. Once you click on the discovery, it will take you on another page where the multiple type of information will appear on your screen like this, as I'm showing on my computer screen. So when you scroll down, there's a multiple type of quiz which is already there, and they also created some popular topics which is showing you maths, science, geography, English, general knowledge or history. For example, if I wanted to use ready-made quiz for mathematics, I select maths, and once you click, then they will give you the topic wise. You can identify a multiple type of topics, maths, probability, fraction or the other type of the topic. If you wanted to use the same one, you can use. But again, if you wanted to create your own quiz, so over here this is the option, create. Upgrade now. If you wanted to take more benefits, you wanted to take a license one, so you have to click on upgrade now. Otherwise, for the basic one, you can use create. Once you click create, they will ask you another option. See, wherever this crown is coming, it means this is a paid version. If you wanted to use the free one or the basic one, you use just create one. Once you click this option, this type of the window will appear on your screen. The first thing which you have to do, first give the name to the quiz. Like click over here and write the name ICT and education. If you wanted to write some description, write it over there. For example, BA honors. The remaining option by default, there's no need to change anything. This is a visibility. If some of your students say they are not able to see your quiz, so you have to come over here and check. Only maybe it's chosen by only you or everyone. Once click done, then the title of the quiz will appear over here. This is the first screen. See, this is another chance that when you are connected to your internet system, it's automatically saved in draft. First, for example, we write ICT stands for. So this is the question. If you wanted to add any media like a picture or YouTube link, you have to use this particular area like add media. Once you click add media, they will ask you wanted to import some image from library, or if you wanted to upload some image. Once you click upload, it means something you wanted to upload from your Google Drive, something you wanted to upload from your computer system, or YouTube link. If you wanted to share some video, so you just click over here. Okay, same. Over here, you just write the correct answer or the confusing answer. For example, information and communication technology. Second one, you can go over there, you just write information, communication, technology. Third one, you can just go information, communication and technology. And the last part we can say information, communication or technology. So you write the 4 options, now you have to choose the correct answer. So once you click on the box, it means that the green box is showing you that you selected as a correct answer. After selecting the answer, what you have to do? You have to set up the timing. What time you required? The timing 20 seconds by default. If you wanted to increase or decrease, okay, you feel that how much time your student required to complete the quiz. 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 1 minute, 1.5, 2 minutes and 4. Then standard point, it means the Kahoot will decide by their own what is the point will be given. If you wanted to add new question, so there is one option, add new question. They will ask you which type of the question you wanted to create, a quiz or true and false. The remaining one is for the paid one, that's why it's not available. If you are using a free one, so this 2 option is available. For example, you choose true and false. So see, true and false. ICT is playing a vital role in classroom teaching. So is it true or false? Is it true or false? It's true. We choose over here. See, save as draft. If you wanted to delete, from the right bottom over here, this option is reading your option like 1 or 2 questions you already created, and you notice that how to delete from here and then duplicate. Now if you are done, when you completed, you wanted to add 10 questions, 20 questions, and you completed all the questions. Now you wanted to come out. Right now everything is saved as a draft. Once you click on done, let's see what happened. Well done in Kahoot. If there's some question which is missing or you did not choose as a correct answer, so they will ask you to fix it. Right now, you wanted to test or play now or share with. Once you click with share with, see on the top is asking you wanted to share on Facebook, Twitter, Pin, Microsoft Teams, Google Classroom, email or Remind. Or otherwise you have some option to copy the link of your quiz. These 3 option is there: test, play and share. So that's it. Do the practice, and I hope that this Kahoot will help you out to enhance your assessment skills or interactive assessment in your classes. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care. Reading